Let's talk about how to update the bandwidth of an account that's ran out of bandwidth. It's pretty easy in WHM. Just to log into WHM, and once you're there, click on List Accounts. Once you're in List Accounts, just click on the package name to the right. In this example, you see there the bandwidth was set to 300. Let's go ahead and change that to 3000. And then save. And that's all there is to it. And now let's jump back to List Accounts. And you'll see there the account has been unsuspended automatically. Now, if you'd like to edit the package directly, just click on Edit Package on left. And edit. You could have done the same here as well. And that's all there is to it. Editing bandwidth in WHM is easy. Enjoy.